Want to know how to see the plugins that you have installed and you want to activate it? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can see and activate plugins in Audacity. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. So I've also created a video on how you can easily install Audacity step by step, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done all of that, now here on the top navigation bar from Generate to Tools, you should be seeing Plugin Manager on top. So you can select any one of these. So once you select your Plugin Manager, here you should be seeing various plugins that you can simply enable. So it really depends. So if you want the Tools Plugin Manager, just simply hit towards Tools and do it. Now since you want by default an Effect Plugin Manager, just simply hit towards Effect and open up the Plugin Manager. Now you can see all the plugins that you have, and if you had freshly installed it, you can just simply search for it as well. Now make sure that this enabled button is checked to make sure it's working and you can actively apply it to your studio or audio. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.